This is an example of a search advertisement that has been launched with Google Ads. I type in some keywords and I see sponsored results. When you click on those results and land on the subsequent page, the resolved URL includes a query parameter for the Google click ID. So if this is kind of small, but in this case, it's GCLID equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The thing that's important about that click ID is it is unique to the click. So it's not necessarily unique to the person or the session. If I hit the back button or go back to Google, search again, click again, I should see a different GCLID every single time. And that GCLID has evolved in the app world since iOS 14. So you may have noticed in our model, we're also pulling out WBraid and GBraid parameters because those are other variations of the GCLID. So since iOS 14, Google introduced those. Effectively, they're all trying to accomplish the same goal, which is to join the click with all of the other information about that campaign that was activated by the click. So in the Google Ads BigQuery data transfer, it would take a whole hour just to talk about the Google Ads data because it's kind of unusual. But in short, there are 3 views that are created automatically for you that are useful for what we're trying to do here. One is called the Ads Campaign view. If you set up the integration, you'll see Ads Campaign _ and then your customer ID. This is a view that includes all the dimensions that describe a campaign in Google Ads. So it'll say your bid strategy, channel name, what your budget was, the current status, meaning is this active or inactive. And it's got for dimension to identify like a primary key, it has a campaign ID. There's a second view called Campaign Basic Stats, which includes all of the metrics. So this is where you'll pull impressions, clicks, and conversions by a specific date. And then there is a third view that we need called the Click Stats view. And this is the one that maps the campaign ID to the GCLID. The GCLID is also in the URL when you land on the website, and so it exists in Google Analytics. And so that's what we use for the primary key to join all of this back together. So conceptually, what we're doing is we're grabbing the GCLID from Google Analytics. We're going to hit the Click Stats table to figure out what campaign ID that's associated with. Then we go to the other tables to pull in any dimensions or metrics that we want to see.